In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if Dropbox is syncing. This process is quite simple and will help you ensure that your files are being backed up properly. Let's get started. First, launch Dropbox on your computer. You can do this by finding the Dropbox icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once you double-click the icon, the application will open and you will either see the main interface or the system tray version depending on your operating system. This step is crucial because if Dropbox isn't running, you won't be able to check the sync status. You want to make sure you initiate the application properly as it sets the stage for the next steps. Next, look in the bottom right corner of your screen for the system tray. This area houses icons for various applications running in the background. You may need to click the caret arrow, which points upwards, to reveal hidden icons if you don't see the Dropbox icon immediately. This is important because sometimes the icons can be minimized and you wouldn't want to miss out on checking Dropbox's sync status. Once you locate it, you can easily continue to the next step. Now click the Dropbox icon once to open the mini dashboard window. This action will provide you access to a snapshot of your Dropbox activity. The mini dashboard is visually simple, displaying essential information about your files and syncing status. Clicking on the icon will ensure that you are viewing the most current information available. It's a straightforward step, but very effective in giving you a comprehensive overview of what's happening with your files. After you have the mini dashboard open, look at the very bottom bar of that window. Here you will find explicit sync indicators that will inform you about the status of your Dropbox files. The indicators provide real-time feedback about what the application is doing. This information is vital as it tells you whether your files are syncing correctly, up to date, or if there are any issues that need your attention. You might see syncing along with the number of files remaining and the estimated time left for the process to complete. This means that Dropbox is actively transferring files to the cloud. It's important to note this because it reassures you that your files are being updated and saved. When you see this indicator, you can be confident that Dropbox is doing its job. Another status you might notice is your files are up to date. This means all changes have been completely saved to the cloud. This information offers peace of mind, as you can trust that your work is securely backed up. Knowing that your files are up to date is an essential aspect of using cloud storage effectively. You may also see indexing, which indicates the app is actively scanning for new file changes. This process is important because it allows Dropbox to recognize updates you've made and prepare them for syncing. It's a sign that Dropbox is working behind the scenes to keep your files organized and current. Lastly, if you see syncing paused, it means that transfers are halted until you click to resume them. This status is critical to note because it may affect your file updates. If you need your files synced urgently, you'll want to click to resume syncing as soon as possible. Being aware of this status helps you manage your files efficiently. By following these steps, you can easily check if Dropbox is syncing. This knowledge is essential for keeping your files safe and ensuring smooth collaboration with others. Remember, regular checks can prevent potential data loss and keep your workflow uninterrupted. Thank you for watching, and now you can confidently ensure your Dropbox files are syncing properly.